As relative pronouns. Read the following pairs of sentences. I met Ron. Ron had just returned. I have found the pen. I lost the pen. Here is the book. You lent me the book. Let us now combine each of the above pairs into one sentence. Thus, I met Ron who had just returned. I have found the pen which I lost. Here is the book that you lent me. ये तीनों सेंटेंस बनाए गए हैं जो कि पहले दो दो पेयर्स में डिवाइडेड थे। जैसे कि आई मेट रॉन, मैं रॉन से मिला। रॉन हैड जस्ट रिटर्न, रॉन अभी लौटा ही था। इन दो पेयर्स को हमने एक सेंटेंस में लिखा बाय द हेल्प ऑफ who and we said I met Ron who had just returned। हमने इन दोनों बातों को एक ही सेंटेंस में कह दिया और कहा मैं रॉन से मिला जो कि लौटा ही था रिसेंटली। आई हैव फाउंड द पेन विच आई लॉस्ट, मुझे वो पेन मिल गया है जो खो गया था। हियर इज़ द बुक दैट यू लेंट मी, और ये वही बुक है जो तुमने मुझे दी थी। नाउ लेट्स एग्जामिन द वर्क डन बाय ईच ऑफ द वर्ड्स who, which and that। The word who is used instead of the noun Ron। पहले सेंटेंस में who यूज़ किया गया है Ron की जगह पर। It therefore does the work of a pronoun, though it also works as a conjunction। Such a pronoun is known as a relative pronoun। Forms of the relative pronouns now। The relative pronoun who has different forms for accusative and possessive cases। Accusative means objective case and possessive means the case in which we show the possession। Here is the table। Nominative case of who is who, possessive case is whose, and accusative case is whom। This is to be learnt। Definition of a relative pronoun। When it refers, pronoun is called a relative pronoun when it refers or relates, it explains, carries us back, यानी हमें वापस उसी pronoun की उसी subject की ओर ले जाए जिसके बारे में बात की गई है, to some noun going before। This noun is called its antecedent। Work is always complete। This noun is called its antecedent, work is always complete। So relative pronoun is a pronoun that refers or relates to some noun going before। जैसे कि I met the Ron who had just returned। ये who जो आया है किसके लिए आया है? Ron के लिए। Examples: this is the boy or girl who works hard। This is the boy whose exercise is done well। This is the boy whom all praise। These are three different cases, different forms of who। These are the boys who work hard। These are the boys whose work is always complete। These are the boys whom all praise। It will be noticed that the forms are the same for singular and plural, masculine and feminine। Be careful to use who in nominative case and whom in accusative case correctly। Examples: who they were, I really cannot specify। वो कौन थे मैं नहीं पहचान सकता। यहाँ पर whom नहीं आएगा, who they were। He was the man who they determined should be the next mayor। He was the man who should be the next mayor। They determined को बीच में हमने पुट किया है ताकि हम उसको एलेबोरेट कर सकें कि वो मैन डिटरमाइंड है बाय पीपल। तो हमें केयरफुल रहना होगा कि कहाँ पर हमें हु यूज़ करना है, कहाँ पर whom यूज़ करना है, और इसको आसानी से हम याद रख सकते हैं कि हु यूज़ किया जाएगा जब हम नॉमिनेटिव केस की बात कर रहे हों। या जब जेनेटिव केस की बात कर रहे हों, सॉरी जेनेटिव नहीं, नॉमिनेटिव केस की या सब्जेक्टिव केस की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तब हम हु यूज़ करेंगे, और जब ऑब्जेक्टिव केस की बात की जा रही हो वहाँ पर हुम यूज़ किया जाएगा। वन इवनिंग ऑफ ईच वीक वॉज सेट अपार्ट बाय हिम फॉर द रिसेप्शन ऑफ हुसोएवर नॉट हुमसोएवर चॉज टू विजिट हिम। उसने एक शाम डिसाइड कर रखी थी उन लोगों के लिए जो उससे मिलना चाहते हों। द स्टूडेंट whom you thought so highly of has failed to win the first prize. A relative pronoun which has the same form for the nominative and accusative cases. Example: this is the house which belongs to my uncle. This house which my uncle built cost him rupees 40 lakh. The relative pronoun which has no possessive case. विच का कोई पॉजेसिव केस नहीं होता, बट हुज इज समटाइम्स यूज्ड एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर ऑफ विच। कई बार हम ऑफ विच की जगह पर हुज यूज़ करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, अ ट्राइंगल हुज 3 साइड्स आर इक्वल इज कॉल्ड एन इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल। द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन दैट हैज द सेम फॉर्म in the singular and plural and in the nominative and accusative. It has no possessive case. That का भी कोई possessive case नहीं होता है और which का भी possessive case नहीं होता. But sometimes we use whose for of which. Examples: he that is content is rich. वो जो संतुष्ट है वही अमीर है. They that touch pitch will be defiled. Take anything that you like. The relative pronoun what is used only in the singular and has the same form in the nominative and accusative. एक और रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है what, जो कि सिर्फ सिंगुलर के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। याद रहे, सिंगुलर वर्ड्स के लिए यूज़ किया जाने वाला प्रोनाउन what है। Examples: what has happened is not clear. I say what I mean. He failed in what he attempted. Use of relative pronouns. As a general rule, who is used for people only. सिर्फ लोगों के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। In a general rule, according to a general rule, we use who for people. It may refer to a singular or a plural noun. Examples: the man who is honest is trusted. They never fail who die in a great cause. Whose, the possessive form of who, is used in speaking of persons, but sometimes of things without life. कई बार whose का यूज़ किया जाता है lifeless things के लिए भी. Examples: the sun whose rays give life to the earth is regarded by some people as a god. Very silly. This is the question whose solution has baffled philosophers of all ages. More properly, this is the question the solution of which has baffled philosophers of all ages, which is used for things without life and for animals. It may refer to a singular or a plural noun. Examples: the moment which is lost forever. The dog which I recently bought is an Alsatian, which was formerly used to refer to people as our Father which art in heaven, which may also refer to a sentence. Examples: the man was said to be drunk, which was not the case. He said he saw me there, which was a lie. Not. The relative pronouns who and which can be used: number 1, to restrict, limit, or define more clearly the antecedent, that is, where the clause introduced by a relative pronoun is restrictive or defining, as the man who had cheated me was yesterday arrested by the police. This book, which you see on the table, cost me 2 rupees. It's very simple to learn that we are supposed to use who for people according to a very general rule, and we have to use which for lifeless things, or we can say for things we have to use which. To give some additional information about the antecedent, that is where the clause introduced by a relative pronoun is continuative or non-defining, as the teacher sent for the boy who, in the meaning of he, came at once. The teacher sent for the boy who came at once. I gave him a rupee, which was all I had with me. In this use of the relative, a comma must be placed after the antecedent. That is used for people and things. That एक ऐसा रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है जो people और things दोनों के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है. It may refer to a singular or a plural noun that has no genitive case. It has no possessive case, and it is never used with a preposition preceding. Examples: this is the boy that I told you of. यहाँ पर हमने possessive case यूज़ नहीं किया क्योंकि because that has no possessive case. I know the house that he lives in. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Happy is the man that findeth wisdom. The crowd that gathered cheered him to do the echo. My sister that is in Delhi sent me a present. Which one of my several sisters? यहाँ पर हमने इस लास्ट सेंटेंस में हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि हमने डेट का यूज़ करके स्पेसिफाई किया है हमारे उस सिस्टर को जिसने दिल्ली से प्रेजेंट भेजा है. It will be noticed that the relative pronoun that is used only in relative clauses that restrict, limit, or define the antecedent. In other words, the relative pronoun that has a restrictive force, as the relative pronoun that has a restrictive force in sometimes becomes unsuitable as the substitute for who or which. Thus, I cannot say my father that is a schoolmaster is 50 years old. I must say my father who is a schoolmaster is 50 years old. याद रहे, as the relative pronoun that has a restrictive force, it sometimes becomes unsuitable as the substitute for who or which. Thus I cannot say. याद रहे that यूज़ किया जाता है स्पेसिफाई करने के लिए ताकि कोई कन्फ्यूज़न ना हो. रेस्ट्रिक्शन को पुट करने के लिए भी that यूज़ किया जाता है. तो हम जो चीज़ ऑलरेडी या जो सब्जेक्ट ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड है वहाँ पर हम that का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. माई फादर दैट इज़ अ स्कूल मास्टर इज़ 50 ईयर्स ओल्ड. हम ये नहीं कह सकते मेरे फादर जो कि, यानी अगर हम दैट लगाते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि और भी फादर हैं जो कि अनसूटेबल है. इसलिए हम कहेंगे माई फादर हु इज़ अ स्कूल मास्टर इज़ 50 ईयर्स ओल्ड. बट इफ़ आई हैपन to have more than one sister, I can say my sister that has been adopted by my uncle is ill. मेरी वो सिस्टर जो कि अडॉप्टेड है by my uncle is ill. मेरी वो सिस्टर जिसको मेरे अंकल ने अडॉप्ट कर रखा है वो बीमार है. तो यहाँ पर हम that लगा सकते हैं क्योंकि और भी सिस्टर्स हो सकती हैं. जब that यूज़ किया है तो इसका मतलब हैं. The relative pronoun that is used in preference to who or which. Number one, after adjectives in the superlative degree. He was the most eloquent speaker that I ever heard. The wisest man that ever lived made mistakes. आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव्स इन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज जब यूज़ की गई हों तो वहाँ पर भी हम डेट का यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि ही वॉज द मोस्ट एलोक्वेंट स्पीकर दैट आई एवर हर्ड, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी स्पेसिफाई है. नंबर टू, आफ्टर द वर्ड्स ऑल, सैम, नथिंग, समटाइम्स द ओनली, एज ऑल इज नॉट गोल्ड दैट ग्लिटर्स, ही इज द सेम मैन दैट ही हैज़ बीन. It was not for nothing that he studied philosophy. Man is the only animal that can talk. Number three, after the interrogative pronouns who, what. Whom am I that I should object? What is it that troubles you so much? After two antecedents, one denoting a person and the other denoting an animal or a thing, as the boy and his dog that had trespassed on the club premises were turned out. जहाँ पर people भी यूज़ किए गए हों सेंटेंस में, people को भी मेंशन कर रखा हो और एनिमल्स को भी डिस्कस कर रखा हो, तो वहाँ पर हम रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगे that. What refers to things only. What refers to things only. याद है what का हम यूज़ करते हैं सिर्फ things को डिस्कस करने के लिए. It is used without an antecedent expressed and is equivalent to that which or the thing which. What means that which. What cannot be cured must be endured. I say what I mean. What is one man's meat is another man's poison. What I have written, I have written. इन सभी सेंटेंस में what का यूज़ किया गया है things को मेंशन करने के लिए. It will be noticed that what is used in the nominative and accusative singular only, जो कि पहले ही बताया जा चुका है कि what का यूज़ सिर्फ सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ किया जाता है. In older English, the word as was used as a relative pronoun after such as. His answer was such as I expected him to give. ओल्ड इंग्लिश में as को भी रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन के तौर पे यूज़ किया जाता था, जैसे कि his answer was such as I expected him to give. उसका आंसर वैसा ही था जैसा कि मैंने उससे एक्सपेक्ट किया था. In the next session we will be discussing omission of the relative pronoun.